Today I will be reviewing the AR Blue Clean 388 pressure washer. I'm going to get everything hooked up and we'll see how it works. I have everything hooked up and we are fixing to test it out and see how it works. As you can see, it has plenty of pressure to take off the stains on this concrete. The head nozzle is also adjustable, so you can go from a straight hard spray to a wider misty spray. This is the wider spray nozzle change. As you can see, it does the same job. Very good at removing stains from concrete. This is the nozzle at its widest spray. Not as powerful, but still is good. Still good for washing. This is the nozzle turned to full straight spray mode, and as you can see, it is very powerful. I'm highly pleased with this product. As you can see, it takes the stains off with no problem. The handle also has a lock button, so you don't have to squeeze the trigger constantly.